I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Charge the watch to at least 50% and confirm it's paired with your iPhone so data syncs. Open the workout app and select the exercise type that matches your session, for example, strength or HIIT. Once chosen, set a clear goal, time, calories, or leave it open, because goals drive metrics and motivation. Make sure Auto Detect is on if you want the watch to recognize transitions automatically. This saves interruptions during circuits. Now configure what you'll see mid-workout so you can act on data without stopping. Tap Edit to prioritize heart rate, active calories, and duration. Rearrange fields for quick glances. Fit the watch snugly above the wrist bone so the optical sensor reads accurately while still allowing slight movement for comfort. Once done, start the workout and pair or control music and interval timers from the watch. You'll avoid pulling out your phone and keep focus during sets and high-intensity bursts. Finish each session by tapping end and reviewing the summary to see heart rate zones, total active calories, average pace or rep count, and recovery hints. These numbers tell you what to change next session. Make sure the workout syncs to the iPhone fitness app for trend analysis and to export or share results. If you notice inaccurate readings, reseat the watch, confirm wrist detection is enabled, and install Watch OS updates. These steps resolve most tracking errors and keep your metric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.